Now let's check in quickly with what's happening at the Nigerian Exchange with Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting. He's going to be giving us the facts and what's going on there. Good morning, good afternoon, Ambrose. What's happening at the NGX? What's driving the negative sentiments we're seeing at the moment?
Yeah, we're not surprised to see the market pulling back. No, market have rallied for straight 4 days, and the see market correcting at the midday today. It's not surprising because the life of Connoy that released their audited account was not too impressive in terms of their payout. Market is reacting to that number. And at the same time also, what the outcome of MPC meeting yesterday, coupled with the GDP figure that were released to the market yesterday, analysts and investors are digesting these figures and the impact of the 50 basis point decision from the MPC, how it's going to play out on the economy, and also which sectors or industry will benefit from the decision of MPC in terms of the 50 basis point rate hike. And also, the GDP figure also is revealing to investors the sector that drove that 2.31% growth in GDP, despite it's a slowdown compared to the previous one of 3.52 in the last quarter of 2022. But since now investors understand the sectors that are now driving our recovery or the recovery of the economy, they can now position on the strength of that. But that means that activities in that sector can also support the performance of those companies in that industry. That is why when we see such macroeconomic data, it's not only to see whether it's a positive growth or not, but we need to see which sector contributes significantly to that growth. And you can also, from the figure that the non-oil sector did about 93.79% contribution to the growth we recorded. It tells you that our diversification in terms of the economy is also coming up gradually. That means the incoming government should do more in terms of diversification. We have seen the impact of just the telecom sector that just was listed recently on the exchange, how they have changed the history of the economy in terms of their contribution to our GDP. For me, it is time for us to expand more industries or more sectors so that they can contribute to the economy. Also, if you look at the oil sectors, people agree that there's an improvement there. People say it's still negative. But if you look at the negative of 4.21 compared to the negative of 26 point something in the first quarter 2022, and also 13.13 in the last quarter of 2022, it tells that the oil sector also is coming up gradually. That means the impact of the security that government is putting, trying to bring a holistic way of addressing the vandalism of pipeline in that region, also playing out. I believe that this is what is guiding investors. But naturally, because markets have been up for straight 4 days, and also the outcome of MPC meeting, this now for interpretation of the outcome, and people also taking profit from the rally. That's what we're seeing. For me, the market is still very strong because the market has positive disclosure or outlook for the incoming government. That means
okay. So I just want to know what's happening with the banking stocks at intraday. Are investors still eyeing the banking sector?
I like your question. Thank you for that. The banking sector for me, from the decision of CBN, the MPC meeting yesterday, automatically a pullback in banking sector will create more opportunity for investors. That's why you can see volume is still going on there. That's why most of them are adjusting up and down. People are telling that because the adjustment in the rate will be a plus for the banking sector, even at the detriment of the economy. Because the banking sector is the one that lends. Now, if the lending rate is high, they benefit more from it. And also, you can see since May last year, the date, in terms of results that are coming from banks, you can see improvement in their interest income. If another hike has happened yesterday, that is why investors understand that this service sector is also the one that contributed to the GDP. That is where they should be. That is why you can see more activities still there in the banking sector. And anytime, any day, in any economy, banking sector remains what the engine room of an economy. For that, people whether are investing with information and they are relaxing investing because they know activity will impact positively at the end of the day.
So what should we expect for the close? Should we expect the bull or the bear?
No, the market will end in the south. Market will end in the south because of taking activities. Yeah.
So negative close for the market today. That's not a good one for some investors. That's not the news we want to hear, Ambrose. But thank you so much.
Market have been up for 4 days. It's part of the market.
We do need to bring home the bacon. Let the week close in the green. I just hope the 4 days will carry through, and we'll see a green close at the end of the week.
It's possible. It's possible. It's possible. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting, for those insights. It's always good to have you.
Thanks for having me. Yeah, cheers.